But what will happen when you sit? Thank you, Kim, for your question. And actually, there's a lot of ladies asking me the same question. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the deep plunge bra. So if you want to see how I wear it, just like this. You just have to push this one and then grab the other boobs, and that's it. And now I'm gonna wear it for a few seconds, guys. Okay, so maybe you guys wondering why I wear it quickly. Okay, so actually this one, when you adjust this one, every time you wear it, it's the same result. So you have to adjust it one time, okay, one time only, and then it will give you a nice result. Okay, so now I'm gonna sit down as you wish. Okay, so I'm sitting down, okay, sitting straight, normal, okay. Okay, but you can also sit like this, or sit like this, or sit like this. Okay, but you cannot sit like this. This one you can really feel the wire, but if you are like this, you cannot feel the wire, okay? But look at this, guys. If you sit like this, look at yourself. It's unpleasant. It's unpleasant, but if you sit like this, you look stunning, you look gorgeous. Am I right? Okay, that's why I love this one, because this plunge bra will not just give you a nice cleavage, but also it will give you a nice posture. So sometimes, you know, we don't realize that when we are sitting, sometimes after a few minutes, we are like this. And after, when we realize, okay. So this one is consistent, guys. You have to sit straight. This one will help you. So yeah. So this is how it looks like when you stand, and this is how it looks like when you sit down. So I hope, Kim, I answered your question. Thank you for watching. So if you guys have any question, just put on the comment box and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. So I'm just here to help you guys.